All right, today we're gonna be doing a leftover tri-tip and provolone bagel sandwich on my Blackstone flat top griddle. That was a gift to me for Christmas from my good friends David and Nikki. So let's go ahead and get it going. So first things first, I've been having my Blackstone preheat for a few minutes now. Another video I watched that seemed very helpful was, I'm afraid I forgot the gentleman's name, but he said one of the best things to do is to have it in zones. So obviously I have only 2 zones, so I want one nice and hot, and then this other one I'm gonna turn down just above low, so that as things cook, I can move them over here to just let them set, but yet still not get cold. So, all right, let's go ahead and get this thing going. All right, so today I'm gonna take some leftover tri-tip and make a tri-tip provolone bagel sandwich. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my bagel here, and we're just gonna get that to start kind of toasting up a little bit over on the low end side. But we wanna take that tri-tip, we wanna get that thing nice and hot again. All right, we're gonna go ahead and flip our bagels over now that the inner portion has got some nice toast to them. We're also gonna flip over our meat. All right, I'm gonna give those a few more seconds. All right, the bagels I'm gonna temporarily pull off because I wanna add some condiments onto the inside of it. All right, added a little bit of mayonnaise and mustard to both sides. So we're gonna go ahead and sit those back down. And we're gonna add our meat to each bagel. All right, go ahead and add some cheese. And then I'm going to attempt to flip this without making too much of a mess here. All righty. Move that down here a little bit, and we're just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of water for a little bit of steam, and we're gonna put a lid on it. We're gonna let that just steam off for a second. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this lid off. The cheese is nice and melted. Just gonna pull that off now. Take a look at that. That is quite tasty. All right, this is our leftover tri-tip with provolone sandwich on a bagel. Cut it nice in half, just make it a little more easy to use. Oh yeah, that's the way to do it. Blackstone griddles definitely make a fantastic sandwich. Please stick around. I have another video in the works right now. It's called Poverty Burnt Ends. If you don't know what that is, stick around and check out the next video. Thanks for tuning in. I hope to see you around next time.